I saw a bird today in the morning.
Saw a bird. I don't care about that, babe. You saw a bird. We all see birds. What a stupid story. The craziest thing? You have no idea like how insane it was. Like even at the time, I didn't realize. You see the bird that we saw getting murdered. No. The bird doing the murdering is like the rarest bird like doing it, and to actually see it do that, it's like in London is crazy rare.
But what about the bird that I saw in the morning?
I don't know.
You want?
A bird. See how they say in like London that like, oh, she's my bird.
It was yellow.
Not yellow.
But it was yellow.
So